Hello there. How are you doing today? Yeah, I had an experience recently and I think it can be a blessing to you. Yes, because it was a blessing to me. There is something I've always believed, and that experience helped me to change it or balance it. I'm from a community and school of thought that says that shortcuts are not shortcuts in the long run. That shortcuts can cut short your life. And that is absolutely true when the shortcuts are wrong shortcuts or illegal shortcuts. However, my experience recently showed me that shortcuts can also make your life easy, especially legitimate shortcuts. Yeah, I've always passed through a particular route. The Americans will say route, and it's usually a long way. It will take me about, if I have to trek or walk, take me about 40 minutes to get to my destination without knowing that there's another shortcut that will only take me 15 minutes. But I was ignorant of that until I got into a conversation with a friend and told me that there is a route, a shortcut that would just, amount to 15 minutes instead of 40, 50 minutes that I usually take. And I went through it and I was so thrilled how quick I was able to get to my destination. And then I started thinking how I've missed out for, for more than a year going the long way. And the lesson there is that there are certain people around us in our lives, especially mentors, disciples, good friends, who have information about legitimate legal shortcuts. And if we can ask them with humility or befriend them, and it will just help us if we have access to that. It will make our lives so easy. And this has to do with all areas of life: spiritual life, business life, family life. And that is what this channel is about. Most of the things I bring here to teach are Holy Ghost hearts. Please permit me to use the shortcuts, legitimate shortcuts to radical, meaningful, productive, fruitful spirituality and successful living, happy, joyful life. And that is why, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I want to encourage you to do. If you have done, please be more active in watching, listening, asking questions, because we're on a journey following the shortcuts of the Holy Ghost from the Bible, legitimate ones, to becoming spiritual and successful to the glory of God. All right. Yeah, that was my experience. I believe it makes sense and you've gotten something from it. Like this video for me, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and see you very soon in another video. If you have contrary opinion, write it. I'm open to learning. The Lord bless you. Shalom.